George was on his way to enjoy a family vacation when he watched a massive collision occur as he approached a toll booth in his Model 3. When the driver of a black Volkswagen stopped in the middle of the road, probably trying to figure out which toll lane he needed to be in, the VW was rear-ended by a trucker who hadn't noticed it until it was too late. George stopped and checked on both drivers, and incredibly, neither was seriously injured. The VW driver was shocked by what had happened, and his phone, which had been in his pocket, had somehow been shattered. George told us he gave a copy of his footage to the VW driver, who the trucker blamed for causing the collision. Who do you think was responsible? Thomas was waiting at a red light in his Model 3, but check out what happened right after it turned green. An oncoming pickup driver turned across his path before smashing into another vehicle in the adjacent lane. Thomas told us he was leaving a car meet and didn't want to deal with police, so he didn't stop. As a result, we don't actually know if the involved drivers were okay or what happened to their vehicles. Marcus was letting full self-driving pilot his Model X when the driver of a pickup truck began tailgating him before trying to cut him off. The attempt failed, and the pickup sideswiped Marcus's Tesla instead. He told us the pickup driver then got out of his truck and began yelling racial slurs at him. When Marcus called 911, the pickup driver got back in his truck and sped away while Marcus chased after him. As if a pickup is going to outrun a Tesla. Seriously, what are these people thinking? Eventually, he pulled into a mall parking lot before both drivers waited for police to arrive. When they did, Marcus told us he lied to officers and told them Marcus had intentionally accelerated to cause the collision. Marcus's Teslacam footage proved his statements false, and he was cited for improper lane change and for following too closely. Fixing the Model X involved replacing the front bumper cover, a fender, a headlight, a wheel, suspension components, the side mirror mechanism, and more. The hood also had to be repainted. In total, repairs ended up costing the Canadian equivalent of about $8,600 US. But when Marcus made an insurance claim, the other driver refused to respond for over 3 weeks. This meant the insurance company automatically ruled in Marcus's favor. He's just sad he couldn't drive his Tesla for 4 months while it was being repaired, especially since he'd just gotten his novice driver permit a day earlier. Harrison was on his way to a grocery store to pick up some food for dinner when he began backing into a parking spot. Suddenly, the driver of a white Toyota RAV4 started backing out of the neighboring parking space and right into the side of Harrison's Model Y. Harrison told us the other driver was very apologetic after the collision. He's opened a claim with her insurance provider, and he already had an appointment at a Tesla collision center to repair damage previously caused by the cart demon. He also made sure to tell us he was driving manually the entire time and he wasn't using auto park. Evidently, he likes to live dangerously. This subscriber was driving his Model Y in Merritt Island when he encountered this squatted pickup truck. He sent us several minutes of footage showing the driver doing burnouts and driving erratically while blasting music. When traffic ahead came to a stop, the pickup driver left himself a gap so he could burn some rubber right into the back of a stopped car, pushing it into the back of the SUV ahead of it. When the drivers got out of their vehicles and our subscriber could tell they weren't hurt, he continued on without stopping. He also told us, "Friends don't let friends drive squatted trucks." Chris was stopped at a traffic light when he noticed a motorcycle rider going off-road to pass traffic, until he hit a curb before toppling into the side of Chris's Model Y, denting and scratching it down to the metal. When Chris put his window down, the biker agreed to follow him to a nearby parking lot so they could exchange information. But just as Chris made the final turn into the lot, the biker sped away. Since the motorcycle's license plate isn't visible in Chris's Teslacam footage, he's really hoping that one of our viewers will recognize this biker or his bike. If you know who he is, send us the information so we can forward it along. Yusuf had parked his Model 3 in downtown Toronto while at a concert, but when his car alarm was triggered, he missed the notification from his Tesla app. His mother, on the other hand, did not. She sent him a text about it, and when he checked Sentry mode, he discovered that someone had backed into his Tesla as they left their own parking spot. When he returned to his Model 3, he discovered a 2mm divot in the front bumper cover, as well as some minor marks he was able to buff out. He decided it wasn't worth reporting the collision to the police. Darren's wife was on her way home from work in his Model 3 when she pulled up behind a minivan pulling a small trailer. Watch what happened when the traffic light turned green and they both began rolling forward. As soon as some air got under the sheet metal laying down in the trailer, the top sheet went airborne before landing on the sidewalk. Thankfully, a pickup driver caught up to the minivan and alerted the driver. Patrick was sitting on his front steps next to his wife as she tended to her garden, when a driver at a stop sign suddenly shifted into reverse before backing into some rocks. Patrick told us he knew what was about to happen and alerted his wife in time for her to witness the wreck too. When the driver exited the vehicle, she claimed she was dizzy. Patrick's wife is a hospitality worker who thinks the driver was under the influence of alcohol, medication, or something stronger, as her speech was slurred. Even so, responding police didn't check her sobriety before releasing her. Patrick told us his neighbors warned him when they moved here 5 years ago not to remove those rocks, and now he knows why. This subscriber had just left his neighborhood in his Model S when an oncoming driver turned across his lane right in front of him. Thankfully, in spite of the other driver's recklessness, our subscriber was able to slam on the brakes and swerve to avoid T-boning the white Nissan. Nikita was on his way home after making pharmacy deliveries when he watched a garbage truck turn around in the middle of a busy road before clipping two parked cars. The garbage truck scraped a Nissan's front bumper cover before ripping a VW's fender almost completely off. Nikita immediately saved his Teslacam footage and took a photo of the truck's license plate. As Nikita pulled over, the garbage truck driver took off, and Nikita watched him run a red light before smashing down another street. Literally, the truck clipped a parked Toyota Camry as it rounded the corner. Along with two other witnesses, Nikita tried to find the owners of the affected vehicles, but none of them were around, even at the nearby businesses. Finally, he left notes on their windshields with his contact info before heading home. He told us the two witnesses were impressed by his ability to pull up his Teslacam footage in seconds from his phone, and they kept asking him questions about it. By the time he left, they were talking about buying Teslas themselves. Guri was waiting patiently for a red light when a man approaching the crosswalk suddenly pulled off an epic combat roll. At least, that's what we're going to call it. The somersault probably wasn't intentional. Thankfully, he didn't roll out into the road, and he got up and dusted himself off as the light turned green and Guri drove away. Lee had just gotten off a train before picking up his Model Y and heading home, but watch what happened as he exited the garage. A reckless delivery man blew past him the wrong way on an e-bike, nearly getting himself run over in the process. Thankfully, the Teslacam spotted him and applied automatic emergency braking. Lee told us he shouted at the delivery guy and he apologized and promised not to ride the wrong way in the future. Lee didn't tell us if he believed the guy's promise, but I sure don't. What about you? Jeff had just left a parking lot and was pulling up to an intersection when his left pillar Teslacam spotted a red light runner nearly T-boning an SUV. Thankfully, the pickup driver was just slow enough to make this incident a close call, instead of colliding with the fast-moving SUV as it cruised by. Jack was overtaking a slow-moving road grader in the passing lane. Remember, this is in Australia, so everything is backward. As he continued and got ready to pass an SUV, the driver of a Volkswagen behind him decided to pass him in the other lane. But the gap was closing and he was not gonna make it. Jack swerved to avoid a collision, and his Model 3's superior handling and stability control kept him from leaving the road. He told us he provided his Teslacam footage to the police, and they fined the other driver. Will was waiting to make a left turn, but when his light turned green, let's just say it's a good thing Will wasn't in a big hurry to make his turn. The driver of a white Lexus SUV ran her red light right in front of him. He was disappointed by the Lexus driver's entitled driving, but all he could do was hope she someday learns how to drive while continuing on his way to get some pizza. Chad was driving down a highway in Arizona when he watched a Nissan driver make a lane change. Less than 30 seconds later, the truck ahead of him slowed down, and when the Nissan driver slammed on his brakes, he lost control and spun completely around. Thankfully, the driver in the neighboring lane noticed what was happening and gave the Nissan a wide berth. Chad told us the Nissan driver did manage to safely turn around before continuing, hopefully straight to a tire shop. Jonathan was driving down a highway when a BMW flew past him at high speed, cutting across lanes without bothering to signal, like we've all come to expect from BMW drivers, am I right? Moments later, a Dodge Charger flew past Jonathan too, only it was a cop car and the officer turned on his party lights to stop the BMW for some instant justice while Jonathan continued on his way. Sean was using full self-driving when his Tesla rounded a corner before slamming on the brakes. FSD had spotted a jogger running across the road on a blind curve, and Sean told us he never could have reacted quickly enough on his own to avoid hitting him. After the close call, the jogger just kept right on going like nothing had even happened. Jaden was on his way home with his father when they made a truly rare sighting. A Tesla Cybercab driving down the road next to them. They both knew right away they had to send the footage to Wham Bam Teslacam. If you've captured some crazy Teslacam or Sentry mode footage, you should do the same. Send your epic road moments to us using the link in the description, and you might see them featured in a future episode. In the meantime, why not watch this episode packed with even more epic moments? Honestly, that might be the best one we've ever made. If you thought this one was good, just wait until you see all the mayhem and chaos in that one.